Assalamualaikum Warahmatullahi, Wabarakatuh. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. My beloved brothers and sisters, I have come again today and I have got hadith for you today as well. So my brothers and sisters, the hadith is that Umar bin Shu'aib narrates from his father, that he narrates from his grandfather, Abdullah bin Amr bin Shu'aib, that the Prophet ﷺ said, you are allowed to eat well and drink well and give charity to others and make dresses and wear them, but on the condition that there is no extravagance and pride in your intention. Some of brothers and sisters, whatever has been said in this hadith, that's a clear law. Okay, so a person is allowed to eat what he likes. A person is allowed to drink what he likes. And a person is allowed to wear what he likes. But just a condition. Just a condition is applied. The condition is that there's no extravagance and pride in your intention and in your heart. So thank you very much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.